वेलकम टू आरोग्या फिजियोटिप्स। आपका आरोग्या फिजियोटिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जो आज हम एक्सरसाइज बोलने वाले हैं उसको कीगल्स बोलते हैं। कीगल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है एक औरत के लिए। इट इज़ एन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज फॉर द वुमेन and it helps you strengthen the pelvic floor muscle. Always remember that it is not the only exercise to do for pelvic floor. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि एक कीगल्स करने से मतलब सारी एक्सरसाइजेज हो गई, ऐसा नहीं है। You have to do different types of exercise, but Kegels is one of the main exercise which every woman can incorporate. Even men can. We will make a separate video for the men, but today we will be talking about what a woman can do Kegels properly, because many women fail to understand how to do Kegels. बहुत सारी औरतों को बहुत परेशानी होती है Kegels करने को। तो आज हम ये जानेंगे कि Kegels as a beginner किस किस पोजीशन में करते हैं, what all position we can do start with Kegels. Second is how to do Kegels, how many repetition we should do, and after how many months we will see the result. Okay, so these are the 4 things which we will be covering in the video. But before that, subscribe to our channel, like our video and share with many other women because they would understand the importance of Kegels. To start with, what exactly is Kegel is, these are the pelvic. So if you see the opening are basically 3, the urethra, the vagina, and basically your anus here. Okay, so these are the openings. We try to close them. That exactly is when we use the pelvic floor muscle, and that is how the Kegels is done. What are the 4 positions which you can start with? One is basically you can start in the crawl position. The second one, you can actually sit in Vajrasana and trying to lean forward little bit. The third can be your supine line or lying down on your back with legs folded. And the fourth position, which is very comfortable, is sitting as such, so that while you are sitting you can do these exercises. If in sitting you are not able to feel the muscle, you can actually roll a towel and put it just down the vagina and anus, and then you will be able to do it better. So these are the 4 positions which you can start doing your Kegels. Now, how to do Kegels? Okay, let's divide it into 3. Okay, the first and foremost is you have to inspire. As you inspire, just relax all the opening. As you expire, try to contract. Let's start with anus because it is very easier to do it. So try to contract anus as if you're trying not to fart. Sometimes fart comes and we try to hold it. जब हमें बदबू आती है. So we try to hold that. That is one thing which you can start. Now while doing that, don't do this. If you are doing this, that means you are using lot of buttock muscle. हाँ, आप हिप को ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो, हिप को रिलैक्स करना है, शोल्डर रिलैक्स करना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसको while expiring, मतलब जब आप श्वास छोड़ रहे हैं तब आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है, आपको basically contract the anus and eventually try to contract the vagina as well. How to know that which muscles to use? So when you are urinating, the muscles which you can use to stop the urine, those are the pelvic floor muscles, and you can try doing that. Make sure that you are in complete neutral position. While sitting also, you can slightly come forward, lean slightly forward, back is straight, and then you can try doing the vagina. Now the first thing is contraction. Okay, now the second thing is trying to lift it up, as if you know from the vagina somebody is pulling the string to your navel. Okay, so trying to lift it up, and as you inspire again, relax. Okay, so these 3 steps now combined together. So breathe in, relax, breathe out, contract, try to lift it up. You want to hold little bit, and relax. Okay, how many times we should do it as a beginner? As a beginner, we can do it say 2 to 3 times initially. It is very important to learn the technique well. Okay, once you are 100% sure about the technique and you know that you are doing it correctly, then you can do it 8 to 10 times. You can also start holding 3 to 5 seconds and eventually increase the hold. Also, you can do this 2 to 3 times as a set. So 8 to 10 repetition hold 3 to 5 and 2 to 3 times. After how many months you will start seeing the result? After 3 to 6 months when you can start seeing the result. You can do this while your pregnancy, postpartum. You can do this for your incontinence. As such, you can do this with your bridging when you're doing the workout as well. So try incorporating Kegels in your life and let us know that whether Kegels has helped you. Please comment below that. And any video you want us to make or anything you want to know about Kegels or about women wellness, about women health, then let us know. We would love to make a video about that. कमेंट करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए to our channel Arogya PhysioTips. नमस्कार, till we meet again.